me I have done for. This will help. Building an army of firemen. This will hurt.
Now we'll move on to the legs. Now you want to make sure that minor ports here are front back when we click. That way this slides.
So that's it, guys. Fireman Sam mural complete. I'm wrapping this off with the iPad. So my phone died, so unfortunately I'm not able to use my phone to record the rest of it. So I'm using the iPad. But yeah, you can see I've added with a paint marker the helmet visors behind me. It's a lot harder than I thought this mural was going to be, but yeah, it's complete now, and hopefully the young person enjoys their new custom bedroom design. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.